Meet order 58,421. It is a priority customer order for 2 filter kits, and it must leave the warehouse before the 5 p.m. carrier cutoff. In this video, we will follow that one order through the outbound process and watch how the WMS keeps the team aligned when everything goes right, and when one thing does not. Maya, the outbound supervisor, starts by reviewing orders that are ready to ship. Order 58,421 is flagged as priority, so she checks inventory availability, carrier cut-off time, and packing capacity. When she releases the wave, the order becomes controlled warehouse work. The WMS does more than release the order. It decides where that work should flow. For this use case, the pick task goes to Zone A, packing is routed to Pack Station 03, and the finished carton must reach Dock 4 before carrier pickup. Ravi, the picker, receives the task on his handheld scanner. The screen tells him the location, the item, the quantity, and the next required scan. He is not guessing from memory, the WMS is guiding the work and recording proof as the order moves. At aisle A12, Ravi scans the rack location before touching the product. This matters because the bin scan confirms he is standing in the correct place. If he scans the wrong location, the WMS can stop the error before the wrong item enters the tote. Ravi scans the item barcode and places the first filter kit into the tote. The WMS updates the order progress immediately. For a priority shipment, that live status is useful because the team can see whether the order is moving toward the cutoff. The order needs 2 units, but the bin only has 1. This is where the process can break down if people work around the system. Ravi does the right thing, he records a short pick, enters the found quantity, and selects inventory shortage as the reason. Because Ravi captured the exception in the WMS, Maya sees it before the order misses the cutoff. She checks the options and assigns a replenishment task from reserve stock. The missing unit is now managed work with an owner, not a hidden problem. After replenishment, the tote arrives at Pack Station 03. Anita, the packer, scans the tote and verifies both filter kits against the WMS. Packing is not just putting items in a box. For this order, it is the checkpoint that confirms the exception was truly resolved. Before sealing, the carton goes on the scale. The WMS compares expected weight with measured weight. Because both units are present, the carton passes the check. If it had failed, Anita would recheck the contents before the shipment reached the customer. With pack verification complete, the WMS prints the shipping label and assigns the carton to the parcel lane for Dock 4. The scan history now travels with the carton, so shipping can confirm it belongs on the right outbound load. At the dock, Sam scans the carton before loading. The WMS confirms Dock 4 and route R18. This final scan prevents a painful mistake, the right order being packed correctly, then loaded onto the wrong truck. Once loading is complete and the manifest is ready, Maya confirms the shipment. The WMS updates the order status, closes the outbound tasks, and creates the record of execution. Order 58,421 has moved from priority risk to shipped on time. After the shipment, Maya reviews the exception queue. The short pick is marked resolved, the owner is recorded, and the order did not miss cutoff. This is the real value of exception visibility. The team can fix the issue while there is still time to protect the customer promise. Let's recap the use case. A priority order had to ship before carrier cutoff. The WMS released it, planned the route, guided the picker, captured a short pick, routed the exception to a supervisor, verified the recovered quantity at pack, confirmed the dock load, and closed the shipment. The lesson is simple: when the WMS captures every movement and every exception, the team can turn risk into action before the customer is affected. Before you apply this process, remember the major red flags. Do not skip location, item, tote, carton, or dock scans. Do not hide a shortage or change quantity without a reason code. Do not bypass weight checks or label verification. Do not load cartons without confirming the dock, route, or trailer. And never close an exception until the owner, action, and result are visible in the WMS.